Here's Ollie. He's going to his first dog show. He's only 14 weeks old. He's a bit shy at first, and really, what does a doggy mascot do at a dog show? But at least there's lots of food at the show. That's a good thing. And so many people out there. So many people that need to be loved. Really makes a guy tired, though. At least we can go back to the motel at night and play. Oops, we did tear up a few things. And Ollie's favorite thing, yum yum, food. And then he's down. But tomorrow's another day at the doggy show. Lots of people to meet. There's crazy dogs, other working dogs, and even more crazy, working cats. There's a lot of people that love dogs, and Ollie got to meet them all. He even met this one dog. It's like, hey, are you my mom? This is Chihuahua Rescue. And back to work. More kids, more people that want to hold him. Then all of a sudden, he gets to play again, and that's... Then it's time to brush my teeth and go to bed. Well, maybe time to bite the toothbrush. But getting sleepy. Sleepy, sleepy. Very sleepy.